You almost hit myself with it. Setting the hook. Oh yeah, Tommy. Oh yeah. Bro, it came off again. That one, Tommy. No, it came off.
What was that on the buzz bait?
Yeah, at least 2 pounder, bro. Oh my God, he missed it. Got him. He missed it the first time. Oh, that's a bigger one, Tommy. No! Fuck! Nice. Oh, yeah. Come here, bitch.
Nice fish.
Check that out. On the buzzer. I'm guessing 1.5.
I'm saying close to it,
2 on a dot.
too. Yeah. I wanted to say 2, but you have me second guessing it.
See you later, buddy.